Okay. Let me show this. You're bringing the queen out. Was it right?
Yeah, I think in this position, like till this point, everything is fine. Now there is no need to capture this pawn right away
Okay.
because your king is still in the center.
Okay.
So if you capture this pawn, then for example, okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so if you
Yes.
capture this pawn, then he may play this rook even.
Yes. Yes.
Now, if you come back, then he may even capture this pawn and give check.
You check. Okay.
Now, suppose if you block with this bishop, then he even can play queens.
Mm.
Now, if you castle, you will lose your bishop.
Yeah.
So to avoid all these things, so till now, this is fine. He captures, you capture with this pawn, he castles. So you can simply play even maybe bishop d6. Get ready for the
Okay. Go for castling. Okay.
because now this pawn is defended. Now he need to defend this pawn because now you can simply capture this.
Okay.
Because now suppose if he's not careful, he plays any move. Now even you can wait for the castling and just capture this.
Okay.
Or even I would recommend no need to capture this pawn. First is the king safety,
Go for
simply castle.
castling. Okay.
And now see if you want to capture. Otherwise, you can develop this bishop and pin this knight.
Yeah.
So this will be more safer and more solid.
Okay.
Because now, like if you move this knight away, then there will be so many discoveries whenever this knight moves.
Yeah.
And I think you can lose your queen. Let's see what he does.
Yeah, I lost my queen.
Yes. So
Yeah,
now
I
there is
lost my
a
queen. Now, like I couldn't bring any other piece.
this point of time. Maybe you can play queen e6 because when this rook captures,
Acha.
you can
Okay.
capture with your bishop. You are developing your bishop,
Bishop also. Oh, this I missed. Okay.
and now you can castle because if you play queen e7, then you have to capture with your king, and you will lose your castling right.
Castling lights. Yeah, I missed on this.
So even in worse position, you can try to minimize the damage.
Yeah.
So you know that your queen is lost, but now you can decide where to give up your queen to which square.
Okay.
In this, because you can't go there, otherwise this pawn will capture. So this square is the best because it will help you to develop your bishop.
Yeah. Now abhi chamka. Now I brought my bishop out.
But now you will lose your bishop. Maybe.
Bishop also. It's all capture game. Here
In
no, I could have captured with my knight also, right?
Yeah, capturing with knight is also good, but maybe you can capture with your pawn because if you capture with your knight, this knight is going on the side of the board. It will take him so many moves to come right back.
No, why I didn't capture the pawn was like that queen can capture my pawn and give check, no?
Yeah, that is one thing, of course. Yeah, so
So I thought
maybe,
let this be open for
yeah,
the rook.
maybe this move is good because you are
Mm.
blocking, stopping this capture, and also maybe you can play this also attack on the same file.
Later, yes.
So this is good.
Okay.
Yes. I think now you can start attacking also. For example, even you can play maybe knight e3 check.
Mm. Okay. I think I played later.
Now suppose if it is king goes there, then there are so many discoveries.
Mm.
Now even what to do? Even first you can attack the queen with this bishop.
Yes.
Because now if this knight captures, you can capture and give check.
Yeah.
So this is a good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can bring your rook back also, or even you can bring this rook to this d file because
Mm.
this is
Yeah.
open file.
Yes.
Or even you can bring to e file near your king. Your king will be defending, and your rook will come handy on controlling this.
Yeah. Now I thought of giving check. Like yesterday, the same, almost similar.
Yeah, this move is also very
Yes.
good. This rook, because you know this knight is pinned, so your target should be to attack it more and more.
Yeah.
This
Here
rook,
I was having a thought whether to put it on E file or D file. Like,
you have to come on e file because this knight is pinned. So
hmm.
you should attack this knight. So rook e8, maybe if this rook comes, then it's more better.
Hmm.
Because this rook is defending this a7 pawn.
Yeah. Yes.
So it's
Yeah, I
better
could have
not to.
brought this rook. Nobody is attacking that pawn here.
Yes.
Yes. What's that? Okay.
Now he loses his knight also. Yeah, this was very good game, I think. You give check from this is also
Hmm.
good. Now suppose if king where it goes. If it is goes, it can't go there because of this knight. Can't
Hmm.
stay on these two. It can't go there. It has to go there.
Yeah. What's
Goes
there?
there, then what?
Check with this
Yeah,
rook
maybe you can
calling.
bring this rook also on B. Get ready for
Okay.
discoveries.
Yeah.
He resigned in this. Yeah, he resigned.
Right resigned. Yeah.
Yeah, your game has improved. In this also, you can see that earlier you used to lose around 100 points. Now you are losing only 40.
Yeah, below 50. Here, what
Yes.
happens now? So, more towards, had written yesterday also, more towards the end of the middle game or whatever you call. So many ifs and buts, like what is to be done. Should I go after the queen or give the check or.
In this,
See, now
all.
I have got now in this game, the opponent had one queen only, no, nothing else.
Yes. Yes.
For me, I have two bishops, two rooks, and how many pawns? Now, at this stage, also, I'm unable to like what to do, which rook to bring into the game attack. I think with more number of games, it should come.
Yeah, like small things you can remember. Whenever you have two rooks, always keep them connected.
Connected. Okay. Just the H rook I could have brought earlier into the game.
Yeah, because whenever your opponent has one queen, she can always attack your rook and king. So it's always important to keep them connected,
Okay.
either on the same file or either on the same rank.
Yeah.
They should always be connected, and just put your king somewhere in the corner, safety, and keep attacking the king. The queen alone cannot save.
Mm.
If
And
she, yeah,
those two pawns also try to capture these two pawns also.
yeah, they will
Right.
fall automatically. You have too many pieces.
Acha. Okay.
This was a very good game, even after losing your queen.
Okay.
Uh,
Let's start with the puzzles. Okay.
yes.
59, 59. Till 58 we finished.
Okay, so tell me the position for 59.
Till 60 we finished. And of course, this 1 week I didn't do any puzzle. I was a bit off mood. Okay. Let's start with 61. We finished till 60, I remember.
Okay.
Yeah. King on h1, white. Two rooks. One is on g1, one is on g8. Queen on e3. Queen on e3. Bishop on e4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pawn. Queen is on a4, b7, e2, f3, h2. Yeah. Coming to black. King is on e7, queen on e7, d7, queen on d7, bishop on c8, rook on d4. There's two rooks. One is on d4, one is on h4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 points. a5, e5, f7, h6.
This is black to play.
Yeah.
Okay. Just see the position if it is correct.
Yeah. Perfect. Black to play.
Yes.
What is happening? start with rook. Check this. The rook captures e bishop e4. Rook capture e4. What is happening? Queen.
I hope you are trying to find the checkmate.
Yes, yes.
So before
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, before calculating any captures, what you should calculate?
CCT mode on him.
So what is the first C?
Check.
So first you should calculate all check giving moves, then comes to capture.
But here I can't see any check giving moves.
There is a check giving move.
Oh, this rook can capture this. Okay. Yes. Rook
If
capture on h2.
yes, whenever there is any check giving moves, you have to verify that if that works or not. If it doesn't work, then you move forward.
Okay. The king will capture. Come here. The rook on d4. Since that queen is also there on the d file. So I'm just thinking on those lines.
So first you calculated
Because
that.
this is not working. No, there's only one check giving move.
Okay,
Like
let's.
rook on.
Yeah, tell me how is it not working? Start.
See, h2 rook h2 rook capture h2.
Okay, then.
It's a check, but that king can capture.
Yeah, then. Again, you have to think of check giving moves till it is available.
Okay.
So you have to imagine this position in your mind. Rook goes to h2, capture the pawn. Now the king doesn't have any place to go. King has to capture on h2. Now the white king is on h2 square. Think again in CCT. Do you have any check giving moves when the king is on h2?
That queen can come. Queen comes to h3. Queen on h3. Queen h3 check. It can't capture because that bishop is there. It can't come here. 1 second. I come here. King is here. Queen comes here. Here. Come here. Go there. And here. Can't capture because that bishop is there. Right? And that queen comes to h3 check.
Then
Mm, King is on h2. Okay. It can't come here. It can't capture because the bishop is there. Okay. Can't come here. Yeah, checkmate.
Yes. So this is the
Checkmate.
yes.
Yeah,
So
now I got it.
so
But you
the
know, so
yeah.
many. I'm not thinking only. And I was thinking because my D file, both my rook and my queen is there. So I'll bring this. Okay.
Yes. So if you follow a process, then it will be more quicker and easier for you to follow. So first, what you can do is you can do a count of material.
Okay.
So for example, if you have to find the move for black, you can start with black. For example, black has one queen, two rook, and one bishop,
Yeah.
and white has one queen, two rook, and one bishop. So it's equal.
Bishop. Equal.
Now you can see the pawns. Black pawns are one, two, three, four pawns,
Yeah.
and white has three and five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it means material is largely equal. Only white has one extra pawn.
Yeah.
Now the second thing, you can see the position of each piece. So for example, like few things you can observe. For example, you observe that queen and rook, they are controlling the d file. So this is first observation you can have.
Yeah.
The second observation you can have, these two rooks are also connected. They are controlling the g file.
Yes.
Second few observation you can have, that even if this queen moves somewhere else, this rook is nicely defended by this pawn also.
Yeah.
Third observation you can have, this rook is seems bit out of the game, but at least he is in the same file as the opponent king.
Yeah.
Then you can see your opponent cannot give you any direct check to your king. Your king is bit safe. So you can first check all the check. For example, this queen cannot give check from this square because of this pawn.
Yeah.
This queen maybe try give check from there.
Okay.
Then maybe even you can move this rook to b4, then this pawn is there.
Yes.
So your king is also a bit safe.
Okay.
Now the next observation you can see, the black has pawn on b7.
Okay.
And this b7 pawn is threatening to simply capture your bishop and bring the queen, and your
Queen.
queen will be not able to capture because this rook is also controlling the 8th rank.
Yeah.
And if you capture this pawn with your bishop, then maybe this bishop is there. Then if you capture with your queen, then so everything is getting exchanged if it is white to move.
Yeah.
So after all these points, there is one more observation you can see, that this bishop and this queen, they are nicely controlling this diagonal also.
Yes.
Now after all this observation, you start with check giving moves first.
Okay.
So as we can see, there is only one check giving moves, rook capture on s2. So how we will calculate? First we will imagine in our mind rook going to h2 and capturing this pawn.
Okay.
So this we have to imagine in your mind, and then because it is a check, this king can't go anywhere because this g2 is, this rook is only controlling.
Yes.
So white has no option but capture this rook. Now after this king capture, again you will start the same process from the beginning from CCT. Now again you will think of check giving moves.
Okay.
Now there is only one check giving moves, which is queen h3.
Yes.
So now you will think, if you come to queen h3, where this king will go? This king can't go any of these square because this queen is controlling, and it can't go to h1 because the queen is controlling the h5. And this queen h3 you will see when you have already observed this bishop and queen
Yeah.
controlling this diagonal. So when you follow this process, you will there are more chances you will solve the puzzles.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we will go to the next.
62. There are too many pieces, no? Then it gets so every time it will think on CCT only.
Yes, even in normal games, when you are thinking which move is good, always start with check giving moves, then captures, then threat.
Okay. King on B1, like Queen D2, two rooks C1 and G1, bishop on C4, knight on F5. One, two, three, four, five, six pawn. A2, B2, D6, E4, F3, H4. Okay. Coming to black, king is on F6, queen on B8, two rooks, one is on A8, F8, knight on E6, one more knight on C5. One, two, three, four, five, six pawn. A5, B6, E5, F7, G6, H5.
It's
Okay.
fine.
So
It
now
must be white to play.
white to play.
Okay. Just see the position once more.
One, two, three.
This is very interesting position to improve your calculation.
There's so many pieces I can see.
If you follow the process, then it's very easy. If you just see all the
So
pieces
many
and
pieces. Yeah,
just start calculating whatever comes to your mind, then it will be difficult. But if you follow the process, it's very easy.
yeah. White to play.
Yes.
Perfect. White to play. Actually, if you just have a look at it, the black king is nicely surrounded by its pawn and knight.
Okay.
The
If
first look, the first look like, and first thing is if you want to give check, they can give it the queen, but that knight is there.
so keep calculating even if knight is there, so what?
First, if I sacrifice this knight, then this pawn goes. Then I bring this. First, capture that knight, and the other knight will come.
No, first you have to finish calculating that check.
Okay.
And after
No,
that
I'm
also
thinking
we have to.
check giving moves only, but then as you said, no, once check giving also it's getting captured. So I'm thinking like,
No, after it is getting captured, then again think next check giving moves.
okay,
So what are you thinking in check giving moves?
This queen on d2 can give check. Queen to g5,
Then
check.
yes, then
But that rook will capture.
knight.
Knight, sorry. Knight will capture.
Okay.
Once that
Now
knight captures,
again check giving moves.
knight capture. Mm, That knight captures, I'll capture with that pawn on h4. h4, I have a pawn. It can capture 600, yeah. Moving forward, okay. So that if I move my queen, knight capture, and here it can't capture because of this. So it can't go to e7 or g7 because of my knight. Okay. Queen. Check. Queen. Yeah. Queen on g5. Check.
Yes, then
Let knight capture g5.
then
Pawn on h4.
H
g5
capture
check.
on G5 check.
What's it? H.
H,
Okay.
H, H capture G5. H
H
cross
capture
G5.
on g5. Yeah.
Okay, then
Capture on g5. It's a checkmate because the king can't capture because I have a rook here on g5.
okay.
And it can't move to e7 or to g7 because of my knight on f. Hmm.
And what about E6 square?
e6. e6. Oh, this Khali. This bishop. Oh, yeah. e6. This bishop is there.
Yes.
I see. Yeah, so it can't come here. This I forgot this one also.
So, this is what you have to observe. This king, even in the starting position, does not have any square.
Yeah.
All of the square now also currently attacked. Now,
Yes.
now suppose if black king comes under check, then it will be checkmate.
Yeah.
There is only one check, and when this knight captures, then again this is a check. Now again similar position. The only thing changes that this e6 square also become empty, but you have your bishop.
Bishop. Yes.
So this is also this king is nicely somewhere. It seems it is protected by his own pieces, but it is being blocked also by his own pieces.
Yeah.
So this also, whenever we see opponent king in these kind of stuck position, always keep calculating these checks.
Okay. Mhm.
Next position.
We finished with this. Yeah, 63. Okay. Yeah. King g1, queen e2, two rooks, one on a1, e1, bishop on c1, and d5. And two knight, one is on e7, h4, One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 7 pawn. A2, B2, C3, D3, then F6, G5, H3. Black king on H7, queen on D6, two rooks, one is on A8, F8, two bishops on E8, H8, okay, two knight, C6, E6. Then we have the pawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pawn. A6, B7, C5, E6, F7,
E6,
G6,
E6, there is a knight.
E6, E6, there is a knight, yeah. F, F7,
Okay.
sorry, F7, G6, H5, H5,
H5.
yeah.
Okay.
Mm,
Hmm. Very. So it is white to move.
yeah, white to play.
Okay, just see if everything is fine or not.
Yeah, white to play.
What are you thinking?
Very difficult.
Start with CC3 check giving moves.
Yeah, the first thing I was thinking this queen will capture this and give check.
Okay, then
That G capture on H5.
Okay, now continue with check giving moves.
Mm,
After G capture on
Like
H.
since that pawn move, I can move my bishop now. Okay. But check. Can go there. Here. It's not okay. It can't come here. It can't come here. Oh, yes, yes. Abhi jump. Okay. Queen capture on h5. Check. Pawn capture h5. G capture on h5. Bring my bishop here. Bishop to e4. Check. Okay, since this pawn is not here, it can't come here. Because this pawn, it can't come here. It can't come here. Oh, so this knight. Okay. Queen capture on h5. Check.
Okay,
This g capture h5.
okay,
We have this bishop here on d5. Bishop on e4. Check.
okay.
Checkmate. Because the king can't come to this white diagonal because of the bishop.
Okay,
That is g. It can't come to g6. It cannot come to h6 because of this pawn here on g5.
okay.
Can't come to 7. g7 because of this pawn. Because and again 8th rank because of this knight.
Yes, very good. So this is how you try to find solutions.
Yeah. I think, oh, my queen is gone. My pawn captured my queen.
Yes. So queen captures, pawn captures. This all you have to see in your mind before capturing them.
Yeah,
And now all these they are controlling the all the square that
all
this
the
king
squares.
can go.
Yeah, this pawn also playing an important part.
Yes.
Okay.
And this, of course, you can think uh, by following the CCT and positionally also you can see right now also this king cannot go any of these three squares.
Yes,
Because these two pawns controlling these two square, knight is controlling this square. So even in your games, if you see this kind of position where your opponent king does not have any move, then your mind should start calculating how to give check, because whenever this king comes under check, it will be checkmate because king already is stuck.
yeah.
Always keep an eye on opponent king position. If it is stuck, then always try to attack.
Mm.
Okay, next position.
Yeah, not many pieces in this. King on f3, rook e3, bishop d3, knight g3. Three pawn is on e4, g2, h3. Black king on g7, rook on b2, bishop e6, knight f6, then four pawn. One is on e e5, f7, g6, h5.
Which side to move? Black or
Black to play.
black? Okay. Just see if it is correct.
There is no pawn on a4.
Okay.
It is on e4. Yeah,
E4.
yeah.
Now,
Let me see again. Mm,
this is also very good position.
Black to play.
Yes. Because of this E4 pawn only, it was not there. That's why I was thinking if it is
Acha,
like to play.
yeah. Black to play. It's controlled by second. It can't go there. The bishop to the check. Checking in. Check here. So, can't go there. Bishop can give check from g4. And then what's happening? Bishop check to g4. Start capture. Pawn can capture here. So this pawn will come here. It captures. It can't come here. So this. Let's see. Okay. This check giving one is from the bishop.
Yeah, then?
e4. Bishop g4 check.
Okay.
Now this pawn on h capture g4.
Okay.
And again this pawn will capture. Pawn h capture g4. Check.
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 Okay.
Check. Checkmate. Because king can't capture because that knight is there on
Okay.
f6. And it can't go to f4 because of my pawn on 5.
Okay.
5. So this is the one. Bishop comes here, then this capture, this capture.
What about king goes down on F2 or E2?
This my rook is there too on the second rank.
Yes.
So
Okay, good.
this was a bit easier. Not too many pieces.
This is this was easier because you followed the process. You start with finding check giving moves.
There are too many pieces also, no? It is too much of thoughts. Okay.
So this is also similar position where this king right now also cannot go anywhere.
Yeah,
All these the square where king can go. The only thing you need to calculate it from where you can give check.
yes.
So yeah, last position, one more. What is the number of next puzzle?
65.
Okay, good. So we finish at least five.
Yeah. And actually, in one more game I was analyzing yesterday, I will just take a pick and send. Oh, there were so many questions in that. But then suddenly I remembered that we'll discuss tomorrow otherwise.
Yeah, you can even tell me after this puzzle. We can quickly see that position also.
Okay. King G1, the queen on B3, rook on H1, 2 bishop F1, F2, pawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pawn. One is on A3, B2, C3, F3, G2, H2. Okay. Coming to black, G8, king on G8, queen on E1, rook on E8, bishop on D6, so knight on H5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawn, A6, B7, F7, G7, G6, 6. Yeah, that's all.
Black to play.
Black to play, right.
Just see this position if it is correct.
Mm, queen. Yes, black to play. Black.
Yeah, this is also very good.
I can see two check giving, but what is happening? Bishop from here. It's black to play, no?
Yes.
See, black to play. Temple capture. What to do then? The conjure. Mm, not think about anything now. This bishop captured, but king can capture, and rook can capture. Mm, bishop can capture this. Capture. King is nicely guarded by so many pieces.
So what are the check giving moves do you have in this position?
I can see two check giving moves. One is that bishop capture h2,
Okay, second one.
queen. Queen can give check either way. Any of the bishops it can capture and give check.
So it means you have three check giving moves.
Yeah,
So now calculate all of them one by one and see which one works.
but is it working? Mm, this comes here. Capture that will. Mm, the queen, the king can capture, no, but so it comes. Mhm. Mm,
So this position is, yes, tell me.
no, no, you continue.
No, you tell me what you were saying.
No, no, I was telling even if the bishop captures this h2, there is a rook, and even the king can also capture. And same thing applies for the queen also. Nobody to defend, like if it captures that bishop, the king can capture this.
No, but you have
So
to think for next move. After king captures, then do you have continuous check or not?
it's nothing, no, like if first, like if bishop captures h2, the rook captures, gone, bishop gone. Similarly, if my queen captures this, the king captures. When I come here, only the rook is there.
So this is puzzle number 55, right?
Yeah.
So this you will take for homework.
Okay.
So this you try to
Very
find,
tough.
yes, try to find solution, set up on the board and see which one. Use CCT
Okay,
mode
but
and then
physical board, huh? You want me to set it up on a physical board and
yes.
okay.
And after a while, if you are not able to find solution, you can even move the piece and then see.
Let me just put my board on the table and see.
No, not right now. After that class.
Yeah, yeah, afterwards only. This evening I'll just try it out.
Yes, this position you work.
Okay.
Okay.
65. Puzzle number 65.
Yes.
Okay.
And now quickly we will see the position you were talking.
Yeah. And which game was that day before? What was that? See, I was telling no mid game and all, so much tension. Like, kya karna hai? Like, so many pieces. Which one I took a pic or no? I'll tell you where. Take a pic.
You can see your opponent name and then we will find.
Hmm, what was that? Hmm,
Yes, can you see which one is the game?
day before. Day before was. I think I lost. I lost it.
This is the game you played 2 days before.
No, not this.
After that, these are the game you won. So after that, all games. After that, you only played two games that you
Two
won.
games. Yeah, one was today, and that the opponent left just before this. Yeah,
Before that,
Black resigned. I resigned. I think. Yeah, Black resigned. Yeah.
yeah, in
Uh,
this is 2 days before you. This one you want to see?
yeah.
Okay. So just we'll see some moves. You will get to know if this is the game.
Yes. This only. I resigned because I didn't know like what to do.
Yes.
So I thought, okay.
So in this position, there is no need to play bishop
Yeah.
b4 because he can simply block on. There is no need for him to
Yes.
do anything. What you can do is you can play bishop d6. Try to give one more defense to this pawn.
Okay.
Because suppose if you go bishop d4, then if he capture this pawn, you have to capture with this pawn. Then even he can capture this.
Yes.
So that's why not losing a pawn, you can simply dive this bishop to there, so that when this knight is not there, this pawn is defended by this bishop.
Yeah. Got. So I lost that bishop also.
Now maybe since your two queen and your bishop is under attack, maybe the only move save is queen d6.
Okay.
You're attacking
Okay.
the knight also and also defending your bishop.
Yeah. Okay.
Now if knight captures, you capture with your queen.
Try this. Okay. Yeah, I could have gone one more step.
Now why did you play this? Why not simply capture this pawn and attack the rook?
Hmm. I didn't see.
And then he will lose his
So
castling right also.
yeah,
And all these pieces are still need to be developed.
till there. Oh, I could have just captured this, and the king moves here. Okay, okay, and
So,
then bring the bishop. Then.
yes.
Uh,
Now suppose if you capture, his rook is under
yeah.
attack.
Yes.
So he has only one move to save. He will play rook f1.
Yes.
Now even you can bring your bishop.
Yes.
Now to save his bishop and checkmate, he has to play maybe queen e2.
Yeah.
Now you keep bringing more and more pieces.
Closer. Okay. Okay. This is how to attack. when those the other bishop knight nothing is developed, I should just move forward. This end somehow I don't see this G and B pawn. No, I miss out on these two pawns. Middle G and
In
B
this
pawn.
position, this game will end very quickly for white.
Mhm. No, but I played very badly.
So when you get a chance to capture this pawn and attack the rook, always go for that. It will
Always go
also,
for.
yeah, take away
Yeah, the
castling right.
castling rights also is. Mhm.
Then his king will stay in the center and vulnerable to attack.
Yeah. Okay. This I have to remember this G pawn and that B pawn. No, I just miss out on this.
Yeah, and now
Okay.
also again you have chance.
Hmm. It was there for quite some time. I'm scared of my queen only. I don't know. See, now
Now,
also I could have attacked.
yes, now again you
And
have
now,
chance.
yeah,
You have three chances to capture that pawn.
yes.
So there is no need. This rook is move is also good, but maybe this rook is far better because if you play this rook there, then this rook is getting
This is,
blocked.
yeah, I should have plotted this.
Now he will
Favorite,
just castle.
this favoritism.
Yes.
No favoritism in chess. I have fondness for some pieces. He's after my queen. I am after this. Horrible I played.
Okay, now there is one move that wins you this knight. Can you find that? Like he's attacking you, but at the same time he may lose his knight also.
Queen to B6.
Yes, queen to b6 or b4.
B6 or B4. But I can just give check and give. Oh, so he'll have to move his king. Okay.
Because if you play queen b6, he can simply retreat.
Yeah, so I have to give check. Oh, I have to think this way. First thing. Okay.
You cannot give him time to go back. You give check.
Hmm.
And while giving check, what you are doing, you are attacking the knight also.
Yes.
And now suppose if
So
you try
such
to
kind
attack,
of tactics I should know. Yeah.
yes, then
Now
simply
capture
capture.
the knight. Right. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Now I can, once the bishop moves this side, I can capture this B pawn also, no?
Yeah, but you will capture the knight first, of course.
No, no, of course, knight.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Why you are sacrificing your queen?
Hmm. Very much hurry to give check.
Did you
Some
see
things
this
I don't
bishop?
see at all. This bishop I missed out, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you miss this
And
kind
I'm
of
not
move,
worried about the knight also here on B7. I should first try to kick that out. Hmm. This game was very bad for me. Because I have the other rukno, I said, chalo, chalo.
okay. But now also it's good. Now opponent castled. Now you played c5. Why not capture this knight?
But I have the other rook here. Yes. Sometimes during the games, no, I miss out so many things.
Even if you lost your queen, you still have attacking chances.
Yeah.
Now you could have simply captured and then queen can't capture because of the other rook.
Yes. Yes.
And your rook has already reached on second rank. Even this bishop can capture this pawn because your rook will be there to protect.
Yes.
And then maybe this knight also will come near to the king.
Hmm.
So two rooks and bishop and knight, they will you can make best use
More
of
than
them.
yeah. No, in this I played quite a few blunders.
Now again you have chance of capturing this knight.
Yes.
This this move is not good because you are disconnecting your rook.
Yeah.
Whenever you don't have your queen, never disconnect your rook
Okay.
because now this rook is undefended.
Yes.
So this principle you can remember. If you lose your queen, never disconnect your rook.
Okay. And to capture the opponent's piece, I can always give a check and also attack the piece. No,
Yes,
this
that is a
also
very important
like
tactic.
this is a very important lesson, like in this game.
Yes.
Yeah. So
And that is why always it is good to keep an eye on check giving moves.
yes. Okay.
So you see this rook was very good on e1, also connected with. Now this rook has gone to very bad square.
Yeah, and the king has been left alone.
Yes, king is left alone. Now this rook is undefended. This rook is
Mm,
somewhere doing something else.
mm, mm.
So this also one more principle you can remember. At least keep one rook on the eighth rank or first rank to save your king also.
Take care of the king. Okay.
So don't
Mm.
leave the first or eighth rank empty.
Unnecessarily. Okay. Gone, gone, gone. Even now, I could have captured that. Of course, now the other rook is there. Yeah. Okay.
Still, it is okay, I think. Yeah, so right now, in this position, you need to connect your rook.
Okay.
Because when you connect your rook, this rook is very solid on second rank.
Yeah. And even if this my knight moves from D, no, D7, I can capture like.
This
Mm,
knight is, I think, maybe needed on d7 to block this pawn.
yeah. No, once this comes. Okay. Mm.
And also now, like when you played this, your opponent can simply capture your bishop.
Yeah. I think he missed it. Some opponents are like me, they don't see their. Mm. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Now my rook gone. No, my rook is gone. No, the queen. See now, the queen is attacking how many pieces?
All of them.
All of them. Here
So,
I am. If it can capture this rook.
no, now this rook is defended by this knight.
Yeah,
And this bishop is defended by this rook.
yeah, and even the bishop is taking care of the knight also. But then it can attack one by one. No. Mm,
Yeah, so maybe first you can save this rook. You can simply play maybe rook e6. Now this pawn is defending.
okay.
Now your knight is defended by your bishop, and this
I
rook
should
is
have
by
moved
this
this.
knight. This bishop is by the rook.
Okay. This position only I wanted to discuss. Okay. So make use of the pawn like where it can be protected. No, what we did was mm, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Yes. So it's very good game to learn.
With me making lot of mistakes.
That happens. That's part of the game.
Mm. No, no, being in a strong position and then giving away, no, that
Yeah,
was
that happens a
that
lot.
was bad. Put there. Chalo, anyway, thank you.
Okay,
What about
now
your students? They are attending your Chota students?
yeah, I have two new students. They are twins, so their class is at 4, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. Okay.
Okay, then we'll meet maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.